Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next, your go-to channel for tech fixes and tutorials. In today's video, we're fixing the error. The user account restriction is preventing you from logging on. If this error is keeping you locked out of your system, don't worry, we've got multiple solutions that really work. Let's dive right in. This usually happens because of a misconfigured local security policy, missing permissions, or disabled accounts. Press Win+R to open the Run window. Type gpedit.msc into the text box and hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates. System. Credentials Delegation. On the right panel, you need to choose Restrict Delegation of Credentials to Remote Servers. Double-click on the policy and opt for Disabled. Click Apply and OK to apply the change. Press Win+R to open the Run window. Type secpol.msc and press Enter. Navigate to Local Policies. Security Options. Find Accounts. Limit local account use of blank passwords to console login, only double-click it and disable it. Click Apply and then OK. Move back to the main computer that we want to use for connecting. Here is the computer. Click Connect. Then click OK. Boom! That's it for today. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the user account restriction error. If it worked for you, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips from IT Next. Turn on the bell so you never miss our future fixes.